Hello students, welcome to our class. In today's lecture, we are going to start new chapter, that is indices. What does this term actually means? Indices. Okay. So before that, see this uh, example. See, if you add 4 5 times, means 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, if you add 4 5 times, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, so it gives you what? 20. Okay, it gives you 20, but you can write this addition, in terms of multiplication. How? Let's see here we add 4 5 times, so you can write 4 multiplied by 5, and it also gives you 20. So see, means it gives same value, means you can write addition in terms of multiplication. If you add same number 5 times, here 4, here we add 4 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so addition can be written in terms of multiplication. So 4 plus, adding 4 5 times is nothing but multiply 4 by 5, it gives you 20. So you can write addition in terms of multiplication. Okay, you know that means 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is nothing but 4 multiplied by 5. Add 4 5 times, means 4 multiplied by 5, means you can write addition in terms of multiplication. Now there is another rule how to write, means you can write this expression in short form. Okay, now how to write multiplication in terms of short form. Okay, so suppose we have multiplication 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, means here we have multiply 4 5 times, here we have add 4 5 times. Okay, so add 4 5 times is nothing but 4 multiplied by 5, but multiply 4 5 times means what? So multiply 4 5 times means what? 4 raised to 5. Okay, means we here, as we write addition in short form, here also we can write multiplication in short form. So here this is multiplication form. Okay, and this obtained form is called index form. What? Index form, or we can call it as indices. What? Indices. So this is word indices. Okay, so you can write multiplication in short form, which is called index form, or you can call it indices. So here 4 multiply 4 number, multiply same number 5 times means what? Number raised to 5. Okay, so here see, here if you multiply 2 3 times, so you can written as 2 raised to 3, means you can write this multiplication in short form, 2 raised to 3, and this is called, this is multiplication form, and this is index form. Okay, now see, here we have obtained numbers like 2 raised to 3, 4 raised to 5. Okay, now see, here in number 2 raised to 3, 2 is called base, 2 is called base, and 3 is called index, 3 is called index, and we read it as 2 2 raised to 2 raised to 3. Okay, so remember that here this number in the base is called base, and the power is called index. You can call it as power also. The power of number 2 is 3, the power of number 2 is 3, you can read as also. Okay, means if we have number, such a type of number a raised to m, then we read it as a raised to m, a raised to m, or you can write or you can read it as power of a is m, power of a is m, or you can read it as mth power of a, mth power of a. Okay, so all these meanings. Okay, means if we have numbers in this form, suppose we have number 3 raised to 2, So you read it as 3 raised to 2. Okay, read it as, okay, 3 raised to 2, or power of 3 is 2, or tooth power of 3. Okay, now see, such types of numbers are called indices. What? Such types of numbers are called indices, and they are obtained from multiplication. See, if we have 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, means here 3, the number 3 multiply by itself. How many times? 4 times. So you can write in short form as 3 raised to 4, because 3 is multiplied itself by 4 times. 1 2 3 4. So you can write it as 3 raised to 4. Okay, you can find its value also. We know 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, and 27 into 3 gives you 71. 27 into 81. 27 into 3 is 81. Means, see here we got value of 3 raised to 4 is 81. 3 raised to 4 is 81. So you can find values also. Suppose we have 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 means what? Here 4 multiplied by itself how many times? 3 times. So we write 4 raised to 3, and we know 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So here we got value of 4 raised to 3, that is nothing but 4 into 4 into 4, that is nothing but 64. So here value of 4 raised to 3 is 64. Okay, means you can write find values. Okay, see, suppose we have 5 raised to 4. Okay, so how to find value of 5 raised to 4? So 5 raised to 4 means what? Multiply 5 how many times? 4 times. So 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 raised to 4 means what? Multiply 5 4 times. So it gives value 625. So here value of 5 raised to 4 is 625. Again take one more example. Suppose we have minus 2 raised to 2. Means what? We multiply this minus 2 how many times? 2 times. Okay, 2 times 1 2. Okay, now it gives you, we know minus 2 into minus 2 is 4, minus minus plus 2 into 2 4. Okay, see, suppose we have minus 6 raised to 2. So what we write? Multiply minus 6 how many times? 2 times. Okay, so minus 6 into minus 6 gives you 36. Okay, so as like this means power means what? Multiply that number 2 times. Okay, so here raised to 2 means what? Multiply that number 2 times. Here raised to 4 means what? Multiply that number 4 times. 1 2 3 4. Okay, now see one more example. Minus 2 by 3 raised to 3 means what? Multiply this number how many times? 3 times. So number is what? Minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 means what? Multiply this number how many times? 3 times. 1 2 3, and you can find its value. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 upon 3 into 3 into 3. So it gives you what? Minus minus plus plus minus minus. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 upon 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So our answer is minus 8 upon 7. So here minus 2 by 3 raised to 3 gives you minus 8 upon 27. Okay, raised to power means multiply that number as times power. Okay, so here observe that examples. So what you have got from this discussion? See, if we have a number a raised to m, okay, a raised to m, so read it as a raised to m, a raised to m, remember that. And so, if a raised to m means what? Multiply A how many times m, so multiply A how many times m times, multiply A how many times m times. Okay, so remember that things. And such types of numbers are called indices. What? Indices. And in indices, this number is called base, and number in the power is called index. It's called index. Base and index. Okay, suppose base and index. In practice set number 26, we have given one table. We have to fill up that table. Practice set number 26. Now see, here in practice set number 26, question number 1 is complete the table below. Okay, now see, we have given columns. First of all, serial number. Here we have given indices. Indices means what? Numbers in index form. I have told you, indices means 3 raised to 4. Such types of numbers are called indices. Okay, so in first column we have given indices. In second column is base, then index, then multiplication form, and then value. So see, first example, in first row we have given indices 3 raised to 4. So 3 raised to 4, we know in 3 raised to 4 base is 3. Okay, and index is 4. So here base is 3, index is 4. Now here we have to write multiplication form. So I have told you 3 raised to 4 means what? Multiply 3 4 times. 1 2 3 4. So this is multiplication form. And find value, we know 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Okay, so do second. Second is 16 raised to 3. So here base is 16, index is 3. Multiplication form means what? 16 raised to 3 means multiply 16 how many times? 3 times. 1 2 3, and its value is 4906. Okay, now here we have given this column is, this row is blank, and we have given here base minus 8 and index 2. So if base is minus 8 and index is 2, then number can be written as minus 8, base is minus 8, index is 2, means minus 8 raised to 2. Okay, now here this row is blank. So here what is the multiplication form? Minus 8 raised to 2 means multiply minus 8 how many times? 2 times. So it gives 8 8s are 64, minus minus plus. Okay, so as like this you can fill up remaining blanks. See here we don't have given indices, base, index. Here directly we have given value in this. So here multiplication form is 3 by 7, 3 by 7, 3 by 7 into 3 by 7, means here 3 by 7 is multiply how many times? 1 2 3 4, means you can write 3 by 7 as base and power is 4. Multiply 3 by 7 how many times? 4 times. So here base is 3 by 7 and index is 4, and we have given remaining values. Okay, now in this fifth example we have given index form minus 13 raised to 4. So minus 13 raised to 4, here base is minus 13, index is 4. Multiplication form is multiply minus 13 how many times? 4 times. Minus 13 minus 13 minus 13 minus 13, 1 2 3 4, and you can find its value and fill in that bracket. Okay, so here you have understood what does mean by index form, what is base, what is index, how to write multiplication form, and how to find value. Okay, so depend upon this discussion you can solve question number 2. Let's solve that question. Okay, in practice set number 26, question number 2 is find the value. Find the value. Okay, so we have completed question number 1. In question number 2 we have given find the values of first 2 raised to 10. So we know 2 raised to 10 means what? Multiply 2 how many times? 10 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 2 raised to 10 means multiply to 10 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and we have to find its value. So multiply them. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2 the 128, 128 to the 128 to the 2 256, 256 to the 256 to the 512, and 512 to the what, 512 to the, so here we get value 1024. Okay, so as like this you can find values. Here we have given 5 raised to 3 and we have to find its value. So 5 raised to 3 means what? Multiply 5 how many times? 3 times. 1 2 3, 5 into 5 into 5, so it gives you 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. So value of 5 raised to 3 is 125. Now third is minus 7 raised to 4. So minus 7 raised to 4 means what? Multiply minus 7 how many times? 4 times. So you know minus minus plus, plus minus 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 plus, so its product is positive. 7 into 7 49, and this 7 into 7 49, so 49 into 49 gives you 2300. Okay, so as like this you can find the values of indices. Okay, let's try solve one more example. So here we have given 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 1, and we have to find its value. So 8 raised to 1 means what? Multiply 8 how many times? 1 time. So multiply 8 1 times means what? It gives 8. Okay, so multiply 8 1 times means what? It gives 8. So 8 raised to 1 is 8. So we got one remark here. First power of any number is number itself, means 8 raised to 1 is 8. You can see also another examples. 4 raised to 1, 4 raised to 1 means multiply 4 how many times? 1 time, so it gives 4 itself. So 4 raised to 1 4. Okay, 5 raised to 1 is 5. So first power of any number is number itself. Okay, so remember that. So it is not necessary to write index 1, you can write, so 4 means 4 raised to 1. Okay, now here we have completed practice set number 26. Okay, so in after that we have next point, that is square and base. Okay, square and cube, square and cube. Okay, so before that, see, I have told you in previous example. So here we 8 raised to 2. So here we read it as 8 raised to 2, or you can read it as power of 8. Here power of 8 is 2. Power of 8 is 2. Okay, so ignore that. Before that, let's see this number. Here power of 8 is 1. Here power of 8. Power means index. Okay, power of 8 is 1. Okay, and we know first power of any number gives you number itself, means 8 raised to 1 is 8 raised to 1 is 8. Okay, now see next example, 8 raised to 2. So here power of number 8 is 2, and 8 raised to 2 means what? Multiply 8 2 times and it gives you 64. Okay, so here this is first power of 8 and this is second power of 8. Okay, you can write 8 raised to 3. 8 raised to 3 means what? This is, here power of 8 is, here power of 8 is 3. So this is third power of 8. This is third power of 8. Okay, so it gives you third power of 8 means 8 into 8 into 8, and it gives you value 512. So see here, 8 raised to 1 means first power of 8, 8 raised to 2 means second power of 8, 8 raised to 3 means third power of 8. If we have 8 raised to 4 means fourth power of 8. But here what does mean by square and cube? Okay, so square means what? Square of number. Okay, here we have to find square of number. Square of number. So square of number means what? second power of number, second power of number. And here cube of number means what? Cube of number means what? Third power of number, third power of number. See here, example 2 raised to 2. So here what is second? This is second power of number 2, second power of 2. This is second power of 2, and second power of 2 gives you 4. Okay, so here second power of 2 is 4, and we know second power means what? Square. Okay, so second power means what? Square. So square of 2 is 4. Square of number 2 is 4. See here, cube. We have third power of number. Suppose I will take number 2 and third power of number. So here third power of 2. So it gives you 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So this is third power of number 2 is what? 8. Third power of number 2 is 8. And we know third power of number means cube of number. So third power means cube. Cube of 2 is 8. Okay, so here square of number means second power of number, square of number means second power of number, and cube of number means third power of number. See here, square of number means what? Second power of number, second power of number. Okay, second power of number. See here, second power of 2 is 4. Okay, 2 into 2, that is 4. So you can read it as, how you can read? Square of 2, square of 2 is 4. Square of 2 is 4. See, 3 raised to 2. Here also see, power is 2. So square of number means second power of number. Okay, so here second power of number 3. So multiply 3 2 times, it gives 9. Okay, now see here, second power of 3 is 9, means what? Square of 3 is 9. Square of 3 is 9. Next, here second power of 4 means 4 multiplied by 4 gives you 16. So second power of 4 means square of 4. So square of 4 is what? 16. Square of 4 is 16. So you can find square of 5, or you can read it as 5 square. So square of 5 is 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25. Okay, so square of 5 is 25. See, square of 2. So square of 2 is what? 6 multiplied by 6, that is 36. So square means second power. Remember that, square means second power. Square means second power. So you can find the squares of numbers up to 100. So you can find 7 square. 7 square is 49. Next 8 square. 8 square means 8 into 8, that is 64. Next 9 square. 9 square means 9 into 9, that is 81. Okay, you can find squares of numbers. So your homework is find squares of numbers up to 30. Okay, here we have find square up to 9. So you find the squares of remaining number, means find 10 square, 10 to 30. Okay, now next is what? Cube. So cube of number. So cube of number means what? Third power. Cube means third power of number. And in this topic we are only learn about square and cubes and some properties related to multiplication and division of indices. Okay, so cube of number. So see, I started from 1. So cube means what? Third power. So here third power of number 1. So we know 1 raised to 3 means what? Multiply 1 how many times? 3 times. It gives you 1. So here we have got 1 raised to 3 is 1. So this is what? Third power of 1. And third power of 1 means what? Cube of 1. So cube of 1 is what? 1. Okay, see. Take second number 2. Now third power of 2, that is cube of 2. Third power of 2 means cube of 2. So 2 raised to 3 means multiply 2 how many times? 3 times. It gives 8. So here 2 cube is 8. 2 cube is 8. 2 cube is 8. Okay, see. 3 cube. 3 cube means multiply 3 how many times? 3 times. It gives you 27. Okay, so 3 cube is 27. So here cube of 1 is 1, cube of 2 is 8, cube of 3 is 27. You can find cubes of numbers up to 100 also. Okay, so 4 cube means multiply 4 3 times. It gives you 64. So here 4 cube is 64. Okay, so here make column as like this. Here write number and here write its square and here write its cube. Okay, means make such type of column. Start from 1, number 1. So square of 1 means what? 1 square and it gives you 1. Cube of 1 means what? 1 cube, it gives you 1. Next take number 2. So square of 2 means what? 2 square. Cube of 2 means what? 2 cube. Okay, take number next 3. So square of 3 means what? 3 square, it gives 9. Cube of 3 means what? 3 cube, it gives 27. Okay, and make such a table up to numbers 30. Okay, up to numbers 30. Okay, you can stop here.